Hello viewers, welcome to Kavi's Math Period. A right angle triangle whose sides are 6 cm, 8 cm, 10 cm is revolved about the sides containing the right angle in two ways. Find the difference in volumes of the two solids so formed. So what is given? A right angle triangle are given and the sides are given to be 6, 8 and 10. Now it is revolved about the sides containing the right angle. So here the right angle means this is a right angle, right? So that means we have to revolve about the sides 8 and 6. So when we want to revolve about the 8, this height 8 should be kept fixed. Then only we can rotate the other side. In the same way, about 6 means the side 6 should be kept fixed. So we have to rotate the other side. Okay, so here goes the diagram like this. So first let us find the volume of the cone when rotated about 8 centimeter. So about 8 centimeter we have to find the volume of the, when we rotate the right triangle, the figure so formed will be a cone. Therefore here the figure is cone. So when we rotate the right triangle about 8 centimeter, the cone formed will be like this, and for this let us find the volume. So volume is given by 1 by 3 pi r squared h. So which is equal to 1 by 3 pi into, here the radius is 6, therefore 6 squared into, and the height is given to be 8. So 8. So here I am keeping this value of pi as it is because what is asked in the question, the difference in volume is asked. That means we are going to subtract these two volumes. So after subtracting, let us substitute the value for pi for easier calculation. So here 1 by 3 pi into, so 6 into 6 into 8. So let us simplify this value. So 3 2s are 6. So 6 2s are 12 and 12 into 8 gives you 96. So 96 pi. In the same way, now let us find the volume when rotated about 6 centimeter. So about 6 centimeter. So volume is given by 1 by 3 pi r square h. So here when we rotate about 6 centimeter, radius is 8 and height is 6. Therefore we have 1 by 3 pi into r squared. So r is 8. 8 squared into 6. So here we have 1 by 3 into pi into 8 8s are 64 into 6. So on cancelling 3 and 6, 3 2s are. So we have 128 pi. So here the volume is given to be 128 pi. Okay. So for the difference in volumes, let us take this as V1 and V2. Therefore, we have to find the difference in volume. Difference in their volumes. So which is equal to, we have to subtract the smaller one from the bigger one. So we have V2 minus V1. So which is equal to 128 pi minus 96 pi. So which is equal to, on subtracting this value we have 32 pi. Now here in the final step, let us substitute the value for pi. So 32 into 22 by 7. Here we cannot cancel, so let us multiply and divide. So 32 into 22. So as I said, so this can be multiplied by using shortcut method. Let us discuss this later. So when you use shortcut method, we will get the answer in a single step. So 704 by 7. So we are going to divide this. 7 sevens are 49. 107 sir. So 571 I have got. So the value will be 100.571. So here it can be written as round off to 2 decimals. So 100.57 centimeter cube. So the difference in their volumes is given by 100.57 centimeter cube.